Have you heard about the new Zig 20 notes that are about to hit the market? This exciting development comes from the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, or RBZ, who is set to release these higher denomination notes this week. Following the successful rollout of lower denomination Zig notes and coins that ranged from Zig 1 to Zig 10 just last week, the introduction of the Zig 20 notes marks a significant milestone. The governor of the RBZ, Dr. John Mashayavanhu, has expressed satisfaction with the initial acceptance of the Zig notes and coins. He went on to state how the introduction of coins has alleviated the problem of change, especially for commuters. And it doesn't stop there. The plan is to gradually introduce other denominations after the Zig 20 notes. The range of Zig notes and coins will extend from Zig 1 to a whopping Zig 200, and they are being introduced into the market in a controlled manner, starting with smaller denominations. To manage the initial rollout, the central bank has set weekly cash withdrawal limits at Zig 3,000 for individuals and Zig 30,000 for corporates. The new currency, backed by a combination of gold, precious minerals, and foreign currency reserves, started circulating in the market just last week. All Zig banknotes and coins were proudly printed locally, ensuring the economic benefits stay within Zimbabwe. The RBZ is also undertaking an extensive public education awareness campaign in partnership with the Ministry of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services. This is to ensure stakeholders understand and embrace the new currency, which has already been well received in the market. The new currency replaced the Zimbabwe dollar, which has been losing value rapidly over the last few months. As of April 5th, the RBZ had in its reserves $100 million in foreign currency and 2.5 tons of gold valued at $185 million to back the new currency. In summary, the RBZ is set to release the new Zig 20 notes this week, following the successful rollout of lower denomination Zig notes and coins. The new currency, backed by a combination of gold, precious minerals and foreign currency reserves, is expected to bring a breath of fresh air to the Zimbabwean economy.